Files can be imported into FASSTA Connect in multiple ways. Use the Upload Documents button to import files, dragging and dropping them onto the page. All your imported files can be managed under Received Files. New files will process shortly after being uploaded. Use the refresh icon or more options to update the list. Setup will be required for unrecognized documents. To map the data for extraction, request setup through the More Options icon. Documents will take up to 2 business days to set up and map. Once a document's layout is mapped, you will need to complete the setup by selecting More Options. Next, you will need to assign a contact to these details. Click the plus icon to create a new contact. Confirm the contact details, and if no changes are needed, select Create Contact. Future uploads in the same format will be recognized and automatically extracted within minutes. Filter your received files by their status using the drop-down above, and view the results of a document's extraction under More Options. If you have set up a unique email address, you can email your files directly into FASSTA Connect. These email addresses can be found through the Email Documents option under Upload Documents. All attached files sent through by staff, customers, or suppliers will also display under Received Files. If the email contains multiple attachments, these will import as individual files. View the original email under the More Options icon. Any new sender that emails files to your unique address will need to be approved before the process can be automated. Senders can be approved easily by clicking Approve Sender. Select the document types you wish to allow that sender to email through, and save changes. You can also pre-approve sender details in the Settings menu. Under the Allowed Senders tab, you have the option to add these email addresses in advance. You can also manage and remove your existing senders under the More Options icon. Once set up, users will be able to simply drag and drop files into the software or send via email, and FASSTA Connect will automatically extract the data and send it to your connected modules within minutes. To learn more, see our videos on connecting modules.